his video. I got him perfect.
You see the beard on him?
Yep. It's long and thin. He's wanting to strut, but he's actually doesn't have balance. The zoom's on the top. Oh, right there, look. Look at this Jake or whatever. Why didn't I Tom do that?
Those toms are coming in.
That's a hen, dude. That's a live hen.
Hey, those toms are coming in.
Got the video on him. Now we got that hen in there. That's perfect, dude.
Those toms are working this way.
Is that hen still out there?
Yeah. The coyote's back though.
Oh my God, you're kidding me.
He's running towards the other tom, thank God. Yeah, they're walking now. Looks like they're gonna cut in front of us.
Just slowly moving.
Yeah. Let's just hope they can get there. You're at 50-yard range.
What?
Let's just hope they can get to 50.
Yeah, me too. You have this rangefinder? See what they're at. They're gobbling.
It's 79.
20 yards. Fucking shit, 20 yards.
They're working this way.
They're coming again.
Get a hit. 80.
How far? They're acting like they're wanting to leave now.
They might come now since the jakes are coming.
Right. Call him, see if you can get him to stop.
Yeah, baby.
You get it?
Yep.
Oh, he's gonna come and beat him up. Where's my call? Where's my call?
Wait, let me look.
Here, get that video. You get the video of him? Shot underneath him.
That's a time to live.
You shot underneath him. So that was a friggin' awesome hunt. It was awesome. But I have to say, I am disappointed in your shooting. We could have killed a double right here.
I'm not used to those sights.
Well, it's a red dot. All you gotta do is put the red dot on its head. Doesn't get any simpler than that.
Yeah, I missed them.
That's shotgun for dummies. I saw the dirt fly up right at his feet. Man, Chase, we could have got a double on perfect video, and you blew it. Man, what a hunt, dude. Had them all on the limb behind us, videoing them on the limb behind us, flew down. Like, they probably flew 20 yards from us. They're just on the other side of the grass.
Behind us.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
And just stood at like 70, 80 to 100, and they were walking away. I thought we were done. Then they turned around because the hen flew down and got in our decoys, and that turned them around and started working back this way. And then they hung up at 80, and then we started, you know, last ditch. They were walking away again. The jakes popped through, started scratching on that. Jakes came, they came. It gave them the confidence to walk this way. I mean, they were not sure, rightly so. They were.
If those jakes weren't there.
No, they wouldn't have. We got those jakes turned, and they gobbled at that pot call. You know, they gobbled, and the jakes came. They put them at a little more ease because it's late season. You know, they're, you know, they know better.
Yeah.
And that was good turkey hunting. That was good turkey hunting. Good setup, good everything. He's got hooks. I can see him. Oh, and a good rope. Yeah, he's a nice turkey. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Just one beard, 2 beards in there, maybe.
Nice, respectable rope. Good old hooks on him. Oh, this one's broke off.
Yeah.
The other one's bad. What a deal, buddy.
That worked out good.
It did. That was a good hunt.
That was good.
This morning in the dark, I said, I can guarantee you this ain't gonna work. We ain't gonna kill one here. It's too perfect. I mean, because we're in a blind, for the video, with the, you know, the tilled field, it would just be too perfect. We're not that lucky.
Yeah.
But we did it.
Can't believe that did it on the first morning.
We did it.
That's awesome.
It took some working, you know. I mean, it did. I mean, I thought it was gonna happen when they flew down, then it wasn't gonna happen, then it was gonna happen, then it wasn't gonna happen, and then it did happen.
Very on and off.
It was.
That coyote actually scared that.
We had a coyote. Oh, Wisconsin, number 31.